Imagine taking a priceless diamond, wrapping it in a dirty old newspaper and tossing it on the sidewalk. Would anyone care? No. They'd walk right past it, but put the same diamond in a shining glass case, and suddenly everyone wants it. This is the brutal truth about YouTube that nobody tells you. Your video, the ones you spend hours editing, is the diamond, but your thumbnail, that's the glass case. You spend 10 hours on the grind, scripting, filming, editing. Your hit published and then silence. This is when the YouTube depression kicks in. You start thinking that the algorithm hates you or that you have a bad channel. But there is the reality. The algorithm didn't even watch your video. It doesn't care about your talent. It only cares about one thing. Did your glass case stop the scroll in 0.5 seconds? The problem isn't your content, it's the wrapper. And you've been trying to solve a math problem with the art tool. You waste 3 hours in Photoshop making something that looks professional to you, but aesthetics don't equal clicks. Or maybe you use Midjourney, great artist, terrible marketer. You ask for a red arrow on the right, it puts it on the left because it looks artistic. It doesn't understand click psychology. Or worse, you use generic Canva templates. That's a one-way ticket to banner blindness. You look like everyone else, so you become invisible. Success here isn't abstract art, it's a behavioral science. The big YouTubers don't just use designer, they use data. Stop looking for designer, start using data scientist. That's where Pikzels comes in. This engine isn't built to paint, it's built to convert. Most AI train it on art, but Pikzels is trained on engagement data from viral videos. Watch this, I upload an old thumbnail. It doesn't just say it's bad, it's describing weak virality, low clarity. It tells you why you are failing. And here is the game changer. The one-click fix. Boom, better virality, more clarity. It's not making it prettier, it's optimizing it for the human brain. And the best part, no more cringe, no more standing in your room making weird faces as camera for an hour. Try it in your face once and generate any expression you need with dignity. It saves your time and your ego. Let's look at the math. For one thumbnail, a human designer charges $50 and takes a week. Through the link below, you can get Pikzels for just $28 a month. That's 1,800 thumbnails for the price of half designer's lunch. Skeptical? Good, don't take my word for it. Grab the 7-day free trial, fix your old thumbnails today. If your CTR doesn't spike, simply cancel it. Your competitors are optimizing right now while you're watching this. Don't be an artist, be smart. Look in the discount via the link below.